Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard. Firstly, open Devices settings and scroll all the way down to access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Finally, you can tap on Theme section, scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Now click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, tap on this plus icon next to my themes. Click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. And click on Done. Last but not least, manage key borders and tap on Apply. In order to delete one of your keyboards, click on the chosen one and tap on the spin icon next to key borders. Then tap on Yes in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by clicking on it and tapping on this pen icon next to the bin one. Then make all of your changes. When you finished, remember to tap on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!